Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. The only place where you can get drama-free, action-packed B-1 bomber building action 10 minutes at a time. Alright people, we're ready to start slinging some resin. I got all my part all on there and it is ready to go. So let's mix up some resin. Alright. Getting kind of low on gloves, so I had to reuse them gloves I had on earlier. These are them thick, heavy-duty things. My band-aid's coming off my camera. I have to get another one for that. But these are them thick, super heavy-duty things from, guess where? Whoop. This was spoke too soon on that one. Huh? From Harbor Freight. Alright, let's get us some resin mixed up. Let's go with this thick stuff. This is just my thick white resin from Associated Industries. It's like a tooling resin. For all you new guys out there, this is not my baking soda mix. Okay, let's take them like 300 grams of the resin. Oh, wrong hardener. You're gonna have to back them big old feet up, man. 16, 32, 48 grams of hardener. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. Alright. Now we kind of need to shim this up level. This works out better. Won't get as much resin running over the edge. No resin runneth over. Grab me a brush. Let's get to slinging some resin. Yee-haw. But back to that Survivor. Man, how does Russell do it? That guy is unreal. He sits there and tells you he's the king, and just maybe he is. I don't know. I would have gave him the boot. Usually, you know, on Survivor, the one that gets in there thinking he's all that is one of the first ones to get booted out. It's the sandbaggers who sit back and win. But I can't figure it out. As they all say, oh, she's a threat. Oh, she's a threat. But ain't they got it? Everybody's a threat. Everybody wants to win that game. Kills me. I love that show. Well, I thought it was funny. Last year when it was all over, you know, Russell got second place. He was trying to buy the title of the Ultimate Survivor. And man, that's just something you can't buy, you know. It'd be like someone coming up and saying, hey man, if I give you $100, can I say I built the B-1? Be for real. You know, everyone knows who built this B-1. You know, ain't no doubt about who built this B-1. You think? You guys think? Did I not get my mug shot in there enough? Can someone else step in my place and say I'm the real B-1 Bob? I built that bomber. What do you guys think? I'm the real B-1 Bob. My name's Joe. Oh. Man, but I cannot wait for Survivor this week. This is like the best season ever, man. It's full of action-packed drama. Bam, that's all there is to that, people. See, you guys can do this. You can do it just like I did it. Bam. That's all there is to it. No need to let that set. Oh, it's only going to take about 3 hours today. It don't take as long when it's 90 degrees out, people. I'll leave my air conditioner off. Oh yeah, the shop's got the central air, not only the heater, but it has the air conditioner too. I'm kind of soft when it comes to my AC. Gots to have it. I used them clothes twice. Let's throw them away. Alright, people. Man, I can't wait to see the rest of that cougar. I'm excited about it. Let me match this. Remember this, people? That nice molded lip hatch? Remember? It came out good. My fuselage is going to look just like that. Bam. You guys can do this. I'm telling you. You can do it. All you gotta do is quit loafing. Get out in that shop. Make some sawdust. Build something. Doggone it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll make a movie a little later and give you some more bomber building action. Drama free right here in the shop.